Alright guys, so at first I was gonna throw some water on my car, but it's too hot, bro. And I washed it the other day, but I pulled the joint out and I was gonna wash it. But I noticed I got some glue on my hood right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, right there. Little spot right here. And those seem to be the only two. Oh, and it's one on the door. Like right here. I kind of got most of it all. You can barely see it now. And I may just go to the car wash, just drive through a brushless car wash and then get some of the dirt off of this drink. But yeah, I gotta get this all right here. First I thought it was a scratch, but it's not a scratch. It just looked like from the plastic that was maybe on the hood. And I think it's a little bit right here. But that's about it. I don't see no nicks, no nothing. People been asking me to do a cold start, so let's do that cold start real quick. Oh yeah. Man, this Joe sounds so good, just like this, even without a muffler delete. Man, and I like these tips. The black foam too. I wish they was, these not 5-inch though. I want the 5-inch ones like this. Yeah, listen to that joint, guys. This joint sound mean, just like this. No muffler delete or nothing. Got that natural growl to it. And also, guys, I want to show y'all this. I had to go buy some wheel locks. Can you believe this car does not have wheel locks on it? That's crazy. You would think that they would put wheel locks on this car, considering everything that's going on with them stealing the cars and people stealing the wheels. So like I say, I got these Gorilla wheel locks. But anyway, guys, what I wanted to talk about is a video that I saw on Instagram. Somebody was driving a Hellcat, spinning around in water. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Check this clip out right here.
You really want that 36, baby, make a wish. I can't be fucked up, cause I can take a trip. I ain't really learned shit. I'm the one who put you in the hell. It's the thanks I get. Clutching on the AR pistol when I take a shit. I got 10 notebooks stacked up. I'm here with it. You really want that 36?
Now that's one of the main reasons why a lot of people are selling Hellcats. That's why people got a negative perspective when it comes to having a Hellcat. Police see a Hellcat, they automatically think something negative because of stuff like this. What person who paid anywhere from $70, $80 to over $100,000 for a car gonna allow somebody to throw a bucket of water inside the car while they spinning around in it? You can't tell me that car not stolen. Because ain't no reasonable, prudent person gonna do something crazy like that. That's one of the reasons why I'm glad I went to the route I went, even though I still love Hellcats and I probably will possibly own one day. But stuff like that, man, just giving Hellcats a bad name. I just thought that was crazy, man. And it just, when I see stuff like that, it pisses me off. You know what I'm saying? It really does. I can understand people spinning their car. I mean, they're built to do burnouts. Oh, okay, and release brake. Apply throttle. And slide and stuff like that. I understand that. But when you got people throwing water in the car, you know, just doing craziness, that stuff right there, that bothers me. And when the police see stuff like that, they automatically think everybody's doing that. They already think you got poor credit when you're driving one of these cars. They already think you're doing something negative. They already think you ghetto. So stuff like that just proves them right. So we got to do better, guys. We have to do better. And I don't know what it's going to take to change that image. Well, we're not making it any better by, doing craziness like that. I understand having fun, and people say, oh, you're just old head. Yeah, that may just be it. And that may not be my cup of tea, but guys, come on, man. You got people that's paying $80,000 and $90,000 for these cars, and you doing nonsense like that. I mean, it's just crazy. But leave y'all comments, man. What y'all think?